Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, backup camera, premium sound system, MP3 player, trip computer, power brakes, electronic brake force distribution, tachometer, auxiliary audio input. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.